y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name's Gina and today we have Rocksbox. Oh, I love Rocksbox. Rocksbox is so awesome. You get to rent, you know, the nicer jewelry, you know, Kate Spade, Slate, Kendra Scott, things like that for $21 a month. They send you this box. It's got 3 items in it. You keep them for as long as you want. You send the box back, they send you another box. Like I said, it's not $21 a box, it's $21 a month. You're renting them. If you do fall in love with something, you want to keep it, you can go ahead and buy it. But man, is it awesome just to rent the jewelry and send it back. And then if you want to request it again, they have wish lists where you can do that. You can request items you've already had or new items. They're always popping new stuff on. It is a great way to keep your jewelry fresh. If you're like me, you don't like wearing the same thing a lot, you get tired of it. This is a great way to do jewelry. And doesn't take so much space up in your closet or wherever you keep your jewelry. So let me just open this up and we see what's inside. So you keep this envelope because it's resealable, and this is what you send everything back in. And then they send you the pretty box. This kind of changes with the seasons. Different, you know, box designs. Nice little box, reusable. I always send it back with my jewelry. I think it just protects the jewelry a little better. And you know, you're renting it. You want to keep it in good care. So they also send you care instructions and tell you how to take care of it. You know, don't spray perfume on it. Make sure you don't put it on until all your stuff is set and dry, so that, you know, it doesn't have any issues of getting wet. If you're gonna clean it, to use the bags that they come in to clean it with. They give you a price sheet. There's a return label on the other side of this that you just pop on the bag, and then, you know, you send back what, you know, what you were renting. So very cool. But it does say Joey. I didn't show you that. I'm just kind of going through the motions, y'all. So here's my little baggies. Oh, I see Kendra Scott. Rudiment, Kendra Scott, and Rocksbox. So let's start with the one that says Rocksbox. It's going to be Sophie Harper. Y'all, we have seen this necklace before. I sent it back and had some serious regret because I got so many compliments on this necklace. So I put it on my wish list again. They sent it back to me. So once you've bought a few things, you know, the more money you spend, you get like in the higher brackets of discounts. Right now I'm still in a pretty low discount. It's 5%, I think. And so the retail price on this is $55, but my member price would be $46. But look how pretty it is. And it does have an extension on here. But look at this. So many compliments on this. Look at that. Isn't that just gorgeous? I just love it. It's so simple, but beautiful. I can't remember if I had it in gold or silver last time. It may have been the exact necklace. Who knows? But yes, beautiful. I love it. If you keep all 3 items, by the way, you do get a $10 discount. If you use my code below, it does give you your first box free, or your first month free. And I don't know if it's your first box or your first month. I need to look into that. But anyway, you get that free, and then they will give you $21 worth of forever credit. Forever credit, that means the credit does not expire. Your $21 a month will expire at the end of that month, but you do get it back if you keep something in that month. So I do like that too. This is the Clove Huggy earring in Rhodium and Platinum Druzy at $78. For some reason on Kendra Scott, we don't get much of a discount. And, oh my goodness, okay, y'all aren't going to be able to see that. I mean, you can see that, but you can't see the Druzy. Oh, there you go. So you see the little Druzy stone on there. Very pretty. Now, the whole time I was sick, I was wearing a gray nail polish, and now I've got like that stain on my nails. Oh, can't stand that. I didn't put a base coat on. That's my problem, my fault. I just, you know, laying in bed, didn't feel like doing anything, so I just grabbed the closest nail polish and put some nail polish on. Yes, I do weird things and I don't feel good. Make silly cat videos. Alright, so there they are. They are really pretty. I do like them, but I would just rent these. I would not pay $78 and keep them. Although Kendra Scott's probably worth it, I would just rent them. But where else are you going to be able to rent $78 earrings for $21 with all the other stuff? It's really great. I love it. So the next one is the Rudiment. This is the Glen ring in silver. Retail price is $65, and my member price, if I decide to keep it, would be $55. So there it is. Isn't it pretty? I like just a little bit of, you know, something interesting, but not huge. See, even my wedding ring is like that. I want to get used to wearing a ring on this side. I just haven't been able to yet. But yes, it is very pretty. It is a cute little ring. Very cute. This is a size 6, I think. So, what did you think of the set? I really think it is beautiful. I mean, I was trying to decide. I mean, this is more of a, you know, wear individual kind of thing. I don't know that I'd put them all together. I mean, they look fine together, but sometimes I feel a little more matchy-matchy. Today, I'm just blah. Still sick, y'all. You know this about me. So, y'all, comment below. Let me know what you think of these pieces. Do you like them? What should I keep? What should I send back? Should I just roll it around and get another one and see what happens? Y'all, I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to press all those buttons below. Like, share, subscribe, notification bell, all that good stuff. And leave comments. Comment. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.